Hey, thank you for clicking on the video. Today we are going to be discussing the new recall issued by Bestway and Saluspa regarding their hot tubs. I found out about this recall through Bestway's Instagram page. There I saw that they posted it a few times letting people know, hey, our pumps are recalled. If you have these part numbers, then contact us. They'll send you a free pump or they will send you a $100 gift card. So either way, you just have to reach out to them and follow the instructions on the recall. These Saluspa pumps were recalled because under certain circumstances, these pumps can catch fire. So it's really important that if your pump is affected by this recall, that you go ahead and follow the directions and get that recall taken care of. Located on the side of my pump, I was able to find this here model number and all the information. Down here, there's a part number. This is the part number that you're going to want to be looking for on yours. And there's a website that I will post in the description where you can actually enter your part number and see if it is one of the units that is affected. There are several part numbers affected in this recall, so it's really important that you go ahead and check, even if you think yours is not in the recall. Do not get rid of the pump until you've actually received the approval. If there is any discrepancies or if they need a better picture, you want to have the pump. So do not throw the pump away before you have the approval. I hung on to the pump just until I got the new unit, and now I can get rid of it. So then, in a couple weeks or so, when you get the new package and you got the new pump, it'll come and it will look just like this. Comes with a new filter, that's nice. Let's see if we can get it out of here. Oh, that's... There we go. All right, the new pump is almost identical. So far, the only thing different that I've noticed is it has a new part number. It's super easy to do. It's worth it. Definitely take a look at the website posted in the description below. Go into your part number and just make sure, see if it's affected by the recall or not. And then if you do go through the steps, follow all of Bestway's directions. They have really nice directions on the website. Anyways, it does not take long and it's worth it. So there, I hope this video was helpful. If you like this inflatable hot tub content, please give us a subscribe. If you could give us a thumbs up, that'd be awesome. But head on over to our channel. We've got a lot more inflatable hot tub content there for you. Otherwise, take care and have a nice day.